Welcome to transitioning to live trading, an exciting but crucial step in your trading journey. Moving from demo to live trading requires preparation, patience, and the right mindset. In this session, we'll cover how to smoothly transition, manage risk, and build confidence while trading real capital. 1. Start small and manage risk. Begin with small trades. Start with small position sizes, even 0.5% of your account. This allows you to experience the emotions of live trading without significant financial risk. Why? Demo accounts don't replicate the psychological pressure of real money. Use risk management from day one. Continue risking no more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade. Always set stop-loss orders and maintain a 1 to 2 risk-reward ratio. Remember, protect your capital first, profits come second. 2. Trade with a plan. Stick to the trading plan you developed during demo trading. Follow your entry and exit rules and avoid making impulsive trades. Document every trade in your journal: why you entered, how you felt, and the outcome. Example: if you trade stocks, buy small amounts and gradually increase as your confidence grows. 3. Control your emotions. Emotions like fear and greed can derail even the best plans. Accept that losses are part of trading. What matters is consistency and managing risk. Take breaks if you feel stressed or overwhelmed by market fluctuations. 4. Gradual scaling. Once you've proven profitable over at least 30 to 50 live trades, consider gradually increasing your position sizes. Scale up slowly. Consistency over weeks or months is a stronger indicator of readiness than quick profits. Tip: avoid over-leveraging, even if the market seems favorable. Conclusion: transitioning to live trading is about building confidence, not chasing fast profits. Start small, stick to your plan, and manage risk. The goal is long-term growth. Next step: place your first small live trade this week and review the results. Happy trading.